Hello, I'm Shashwati Bhattacharya, Technical Training Head of Specifix Professional from GVIC Singapore. In today's age, the skin goes through a lot in terms of chemicals, pollution, stress, and the products that we use on our skin. More and more people are not only looking for healthier lifestyle, but are also focusing on safer and effective solutions for their skincare. We at Specifix understand this need, and we have come up with an entire facial range which is safe yet effective. This range picks up its roots from the 5,000-year-old science of life, Ayurveda. In this facial range, to showcase before you how the facial works, what are its benefits and what are its ingredients. This facial has 5 steps: face wash, scrub, massage gel, massage cream and pack. Now we will start with Specifix Ayurveda Skin Brightening Haldi and Chandan Facial. We have done the initial cleaning and makeup removal. Step 1 is face wash. For this we use Skin Brightening Haldi and Chandan face wash. We take the product and add a few drops of water to it, create a little foam and then apply it all over the face and then cleanse it for 3 to 4 minutes. After cleansing and toning, we move to step 2, which is scrub. For this we use Skin Brightening Haldi and Chandan Facial Scrub, which is enriched with jojoba ester beads, licorice and aloe vera. Jojoba ester beads are crystallized jojoba oil which gently remove the dead skin cells. Licorice aids in skin lightening and aloe vera aids in moisturization of the face. After applying the scrub all over the face, we will gently wet the tip of our fingers and exfoliate the skin in circular motions to avoid too much of pressure. We will do this exfoliation for 3 to 4 minutes. After scrubbing, we will remove the scrub and dust off the extra granules with a dry tissue. We will then dab the face with hydrating toner to prep the skin for the massage. The skin is now ready for massage and we move to step 3, which is gel massage. For this we use Skin Brightening Haldi and Chandan Facial Gel. The gel is enriched with chandan and haldi, which is known for their Ayurvedic properties, and this massage helps to hydrate the skin, imparting a youthful glow. We will do this massage for around 5 minutes. After gel massage, we'll dab off the excess gel and then we move to step 4, which is cream massage. For this we use Ayurveda Skin Brightening Haldi and Chandan Face Cream, which is enriched with vitamin B3 and vitamin B. Vitamin B3 is also commonly known as niacinamide and it aids in cell rejuvenation and cell renewal. Vitamin E helps in imparting a youthful glow and also improves the skin texture. We will do the cream massage for 5 to 7 minutes. After the cream massage, we have removed the cream and now we move to step 5, which is application of pack. We use Ayurveda Skin Brightening Haldi and Chandan Face Pack, which is enriched with licorice, rose oil and multani mitti. The rose oil has astringent properties which helps to minimize pores, and multani mitti with its rich mineral content helps to calm down the skin and also nourish the skin. Licorice extract helps to brighten the complexion. When we apply this pack, we suggest you add a few drops of hydrating toner and mix it so that the application becomes easier. We will leave the pack for 15 minutes. Post removal of the pack, we will give a nice finishing to Specifix Ayurveda Skin Brightening Haldi and Chandan Facial by applying Ultra Moisturizing Fluid SPF 20. Also focusing on safer and effective solutions for this.